Hey DIY clubbers, good morning. I wanted to take you guys along with me on a kind of get ready with me slash how I do my makeup slash outfits that you can wear to go see Black Panther. I know it's been out for a couple of weeks now, but I wanted to show you guys 2 outfit choices that you can do. So get up, wash your face, brush your teeth, and let's get ready. So I'm starting with Rihanna's Fenty Flash Snap. This just goes under your eyes, and it comes with a cute little roller that you can roll the product on. But I will first kind of rub the product into the under eye area, and then I'll use the roller. That way I don't get too much of the product caught up in the roller spaces. And then I always make sure to rinse it off and then pat everything in. Then I'll go in with some of the fat water as well as some of the SPF face moisturizer, and just go ahead and rub those products in my skin very well. First the fat water and then the sunscreen. Then I'll use my little roller and just roll across my face. This just adds like a little calming, cooling sensation because I try to keep it cold. Then I add some Pro Filter concealer under my eyes, patting it in with a foam sponge. And then I'm using Rihanna's Fenty Ease Drop. It's in the color 17. And I just kind of apply it all over my face, kind of like war paint. And then I'm going to add in some of my gold primer serum. And this just kind of gives everything like a nice little sheen. For some extra sparkle, I will add some of the body glaze to my face, and then I'll do another coat of the light base Ease Drop makeup. I do cover up my little pimple with some of my heavier coverage foundation, also Fenty, and then I start to work on my eyebrows. I'll continue to fill in my eyebrows till I get the shape that I prefer, and I kind of brush them out, feather them, and then we go ahead and add our mascara. Now, if you want to add in fake lashes at this point, feel free, but the mascara I use is from Ulta, and it works really well for my eyelashes. Then we're going to go in with a lip liner. This is just a generic brown lip liner. And then I'm going in with Juvia's Place color Moreau and Oasis for the lip gloss. I'm going to finish off using this Bloom palette from Ulta, just adding some shimmer to my eyes, as well as some eyeliner. Spray my face down with setting spray. And then this is outfit number 1. It's a cute little one-shoulder catsuit. Add a pair of chunky-heeled boots, along with the hairstyle, which was last week's video. And this would be a cute date night outfit to go see the Black Panther, as well as our Black Panther nails. Throw in your purse, and it's a cute vibe. Now, if you're more of a casual girl, this really cute oversized Wakanda Forever sweatshirt would be a great option. I threw on a pair of black biker shorts under, along with my platform pink Crocs and pink backpack, and I'm ready to go. Thanks for joining me for another video this week. Please let me know what you guys thought of the 2 outfit options and which you would prefer, our nighttime date look or our casual daytime look. Make sure you like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell for notifications for every new post. And go follow me over on Instagram at haiku_creations. And make sure you guys go see Black Panther Wakanda Forever. It is, of course, still in theaters. It is a great movie. And tell me which outfit you would prefer to wear down below in the comments. I'll link all of the outfits if they are still available, if you guys are interested in getting them. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day. And always keep creating.